Hygiene tips for girls that every girl should know. Number 1. Regular hand washing. Wash your hands with soap and water regularly, especially before eating, after using the restroom, or touching surfaces in public areas. Number 2. Shower or bath daily. Bathe or shower daily to keep your body clean and fresh. Use a mild soap or body wash and pay attention to areas like underarms, feet, and private areas. Number 3. Keep your nails clean. Trim your nails regularly and clean under them to prevent dirt and bacteria buildup. Number 4. Menstrual hygiene. Change your sanitary products, tampons, pads, menstrual cups regularly during your period to avoid infections. Wash your hands before and after changing them. Number 5. Maintain dental hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day and floss regularly to prevent cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Number 6. Hair care. Wash your hair regularly based on your hair type and lifestyle. Keep your hairbrush and other hair tools clean. Number 7. Proper clothing. Wear clean clothes and undergarments every day. Wash them regularly, especially underwear, to maintain good vaginal hygiene. Number 8. Foot care. Wash your feet daily, especially after being in closed shoes or sweaty conditions. Keep your toenails trimmed and wear clean socks. Number 9. Facial hygiene. Wash your face twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Use products suitable for your skin type. Number 10. Sun protection. Use sunscreen with SPF to protect your skin from harmful UV rays whenever you go out in the sun. Number 11. Personal items. Avoid sharing personal items like towels, razors, and makeup brushes to prevent the spread of germs and infections. Number 12. Proper toilet habits. Always wipe from front to back after using the restroom to prevent urinary tract infections. Number 13. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and maintain overall health. Number 14. Proper disposal of hygiene products. Dispose of sanitary products and other personal hygiene items properly to avoid environmental pollution and health hazards. Number 15. Regular health checkups. Schedule regular visits to your healthcare provider for checkups, vaccinations, and screenings. Maintaining good hygiene is essential for everyone regardless of gender. Also, maintaining good hygiene not only keeps you feeling fresh, but also plays a crucial role in preventing the spread of diseases and infections.